Welcome to another interesting video with 99 reviews. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to copy editing from one video or photo and paste to another video or photo in your iPhone. So let's start the video. First, open your gallery. I have these two videos and I want to apply same editing on both videos. Firstly, you have to edit the first video. After editing, you have to tap and hold this video, and this copy editing option appears. Tap on it. Now tap and hold the second video, and here tap on paste editing. You can see the same editing is pasted to the second video as well. This feature is only available in iOS 17. So if you don't have iOS 17, then first you have to update your iPhone to use this feature. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.